Let's explore lighting control in Crestron Home and see just how flexible it can be. From the home screen, these quick action buttons can trigger preset lighting scenes created by your integrator. Each button can activate multiple lights and other services across different rooms and environments. Just coming home? Tap Arrive Home. Getting ready to wind down for the night? Tap Good Night. Each scene can be customized to fit your unique lifestyle. For more precise control, go to the Rooms page. You can pick a room, like the kitchen, and see the current lighting status. This yellow light bulb shows the lights are on. Want to turn them off? Just tap the Lights Off icon. Tap the upper part of the tile for individual control. Dimmable lights have adjustable sliders, while switched lights use the simple on-off icon. Lights with color-changing functionality will have a color wheel here, where you can select the right color for the mood. Easily control all the lights in the room with all on, all off, and the light level plus and minus controls. That's a quick look at controlling your lights with Crestron Home. And no matter how you control your Crestron Home, phone, tablet, or touch panel, you'll always have the same familiar experience. For more tips, check out the Crestron Home Quick Start Guide.